Hey guys, thanks for clicking on this video. I'm Liz and today I wanted to share with you a 4th of July makeup look. I am so excited because I just reached over 100 subscribers and I'm excited to share more content with you. The very next video is going to be my course schedule throughout college, so what courses I took to double major in mathematics and computer science, and I'm really excited for more video ideas, just like doing a room tour or new apartment tour, just to show you guys what my setup is and how I'm enjoying it in Oklahoma. So yeah, thanks so much for watching and I hope you have a very safe and happy 4th of July. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. Thanks so much for watching.